In listening, to be honest, again, this part A, it's your best bet. Even if you want to spend 50% of your time for practicing listening, should be on your listening A. Because number one, the part A is the part that is easier to get the answer. There is no much logical thinking in part A, unlike in part B and in part C. So, and you have 24 questions you can easily get. If you get 24 over 24 in part A, you will only need just 6 questions to pass the exam.
Okay.
Meaning, you can actually pass the exam just doing only part A and part B without even doing part C if you are very sure of all your answers in part A
Okay.
and part B.
Yes, sir.
Yep, yep. So that's what makes it very interesting.
Mm.
Okay. Now, what you should know about this part A is that you have to put your attention very keen. This is a medical distance. You should be familiar with it, and you should be reasoning alongside with it. What I usually tell students to do is once that question is given to you, to be honest, you have enough time to read through the question. Reading through the question is just not going through it. Is you trying to think of quick answers that you must put there. Do you get?
Mm.
You already
Mm.
read that you want to hear a physiotherapist you hear a physiotherapist talking to a new patient called Ray Sands. For question 1 to 12, complete the note with a word or a short phrase. You now have 30 seconds to look at the notes. So you've
Mm.
already noted that this is a discussion between a physiotherapist. Now, the patient's name is Ray Sands. Your first question, they now said 18 months ago, this patient had back injury sustained. So
Mm.
in your question, you should be looking at lifting dash. What is the patient lifting? So whatever the patient is lifting must be, is it a verb, a noun, or an adjective?
Mm.
No, I'm asking.
There has to be a name, a noun.
Yes, it has to be a name. It has to be a noun. So in
Mm.
your mind, fix an answer. Just pick an answer. You have to do this in the exam. Pick an answer. What do you think should be there?
Maybe heavy something box or something heavy.
Yes.
Lifting, yes.
So it might just be like, let's say it might be lifting a stone, lifting an equipment, lifting a box, lifting, it must be something um heavy. And if it must be something object,
Yeah, object, yeah.
or it might be human being, but it would be a noun. And
Name,
whatever
yes.
it is, you also be very careful. Should that have an article or not? Because if it's a noun, you will be thinking if it is countable or uncountable article. Because if they
Mm.
said the patient was trying to lift a pen, although it can't be a pen because pen cannot make somebody's back to break. So less it
Mm.
will be something very heavy. Do you get?
Mm.
So if
Yes.
somebody is lifting that stuff, if it's a box, you can count it. So that means in writing your answer, you must put that article there to make it
Okay.
a correct sentence. Okay?
Mm. Yes.
Then 1 year ago, sciatica developed. 6 months ago, cleared of symptoms. Last month, recurrence of symptoms. So they are just tracing the symptoms from 18 months ago down. So it cleared the symptoms 6 months ago, then and recurrence of symptoms started last month now.
Mm.
Now, when you're now listening again, you'll not be listening when the patient start describing his symptoms. Your ears
Mm.
become very sharp again. Pain is located in, definitely we are talking about human being. So we'll be
Body
looking
part,
at the
yeah.
part of the body.
Mm.
So if somebody is lifting a heavy object, where do you think that pain will be located?
To be body, okay, back.
It will be body part. So I can
Body
guess
parts,
back.
yeah.
I can
Back,
guess
yeah.
back. I can guess toe. I can guess leg. So I don't know yet,
Mm.
but definitely they say back injury. So I may
Mm.
suspect it might be back. I may suspect it might be lumbar. They might call it anything. Do you
Mm.
get? Pain described as, we describe pain as sharp, throbbing. These are the kind of word I'll be listening out for now.
Mm.
So you have to prepare your mind ahead. It makes it easier for you to quickly get the answer and fix it.
Mm.
Inability to dash, So it has other symptoms, loss of mobility, problem sleeping. And the fact is that when this audio is also going on, this is how they will follow it sequentially. They cannot answer number 5 before number 2. No.
Mm.
Do you get my point?
Yes.
So it must be number 5, number 2
Mm.
first before number 5. Okay?
Mm.
Okay. So let's still continue. And then I say mention inability to dash as most frustrating aspect. Inability, is it inability to walk, inability to eat, inability to do what will be
Mm.
here as frustrating aspects. So if it's inability to do something that what would you, if somebody is not able to eat, that can be frustrating. If somebody is
Mm.
not able to do something daring, so it must be something very important that, or some inability to walk, it can be frustrating. That sensation, now the sensation is in the calves. So you listen out for the calves. Yeah,
Mm.
that's where it's having the sensation. What kind of sensation? So this is something that will describe this adjective, describe this now.
Mm.
Okay. Are you following the way I'm doing this? So
Yes.
as you are doing this, as you are waiting for them to start, you should be fixing something in your mind. It makes it
Mm.
easier for you to now counteract. Okay, what I put was wrong. This is the answer.
Mm.
That sensation calves this. So that's the way you analyze everything to the end. Now, let me
Okay.
play the audio. Now, listen.
Sir, if you play this one, I know the answers already.
Listening test.
Huh?
Hello?
This test
For this
has 3
something,
parts.
I know the answers already, so I don't I know what I'm listening to. It's like I
Oh,
count
you've
the
already done
answers.
this one. You've already done this one already.
I've done this one like 20 times. I know what the answers are.
Ah,
Let
okay.
me tell you, this text, I know their answers. Most of the text, I know the answers.
Anyway, unfortunately for you, they don't repeat this. If they
Yeah,
ever
they
try
don't
that, you
repeat.
will deal with them.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. But the fact, what I'm trying to build in this part A, there is no need playing any audio then. What I'm trying to build in this part A is you just have to build this down first before you
Mm.
start listening. If you don't do that, you will be lost. And
Mm.
but if you've already done it, yeah, and be looking for the keywords when they are going, even if you've accidentally missed an answer, just continue. When you are done, just the way we've analyzed it, pick anything in your mind that comes in your mind and put it there. You're already a
Mm.
medical doctor. You should be able to figure out what you think that part might be. And you may
Mm.
be right. You didn't hear it, and you also right. Then what I will now advise, whenever you are fixing the answer, make sure that the answer you are fixing, yeah,
Mm.
matches the option correctly,
Yes, sir.
both sentence-wise and grammatical-wise. Because if
Yes.
the answer here should be on the dash of his left hand, so what is supposed to be here? You've done it before. I don't know what's supposed to be here. What's supposed to be here?
Which one?
Or let's use the one that you
Pen
can easily
located.
remember. Like if you say um, back pain, sustain, lifting, dash, what will you put here?
Heavy objects. Heavy suitcase. This one is lifting a suitcase. Heavy suitcase. That's the answer.
Okay. So lifting, if you say heavy suitcase, you might lose the score because here there is suitcase, you can count it. So lifting a heavy suitcase,
Yes, it's a heavy suitcase. Yes.
that's fine. So it must be grammatical correct. Pain
Yes,
located
sir.
in, where was the pain?
Sir, can we go to the B?
Okay, that's fine.
I'm looking at the time.